You're being recorded right now. Okay, it's not porn, okay? This is a nice family, wholesome video. Show us your ripped shirt. Okay, quit it.
So, I'm an idiot and sat down and God cursed me to lose my shirt. Looks like I got in a fight, but I didn't.
I know, right?
There's such thing about when you need food.
I want some food now because I'm hungry, even though I'm sitting here starving like a
Monkey.
Even though I see the food sitting in the window, she's scratching her hair like she has
Big
cancer. I see some food being walked around the room. It looks like the club fries and some onions too. I want my food. It's called the Travel 4-3. It's fingers, potato skins, and some garlic bread, you see. I want it now because I'm hungry.
Use the food. Don't like tummy. Give me some cheese pants.
No, he's not.
What the fuck? Wait for my fucking food. And Julie fucking make your fucking off doing some weed. Fucking stealing groceries and getting high. I'm fucking sitting here waiting for my food. Fuck. Where's my food?